Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make a hard reset of Samsung Galaxy A25. If you are using Samsung Galaxy A25 and now you want to make a hard reset to your device, so let's see how can I do this. For this, first of all, you have to make sure that your phone has connected to any PC or any other Samsung device via charging cable or any wire, and after doing that, you just have to make a simple step. You can easily do this on your lock screen or home screen on which you want. So let's see what you have to do. You just have to press and hold the volume down and the power button at the same time and wait for your screen goes black, and then shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo. So let's do this. First press and hold volume down and power button at the same time until your screen goes black. It will take a while, so you just have to wait for it. So after that, just shift your volume down to volume up and wait for Samsung logo, and after that just release all buttons and wait for it. Basically it will open your phone BIOS just like this. Here you have to make a simple setup. So first you have to keep in mind that your touch won't work. Here you have to use these three buttons to control this cursor. So you just have to look for wipe data and factory reset option here. So let's see how can we get it. Just press volume down to go down and volume up to go up, and look for wipe data and factory reset, and here just press the power button to select that option, and here's factory data reset. Just move cursor to it and then press the volume or power button and it will open the factory reset settings. Here you just have to select the first option, which is reboot system now. Just press the power button here and it will make your phone shut down, and you just have to wait for it powering on, and after that your phone will be resetted. So that's how you can easily make a hard reset of your Samsung Galaxy A25. But first of all, you have to make sure that you have a backup of data, because it will erase everything from your phone. It might be videos, photos, your accounts and apps. So you just have to make a backup, and then you can easily use your phone after hard reset. It will give you a fresh new startup. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.